Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your CLA 250. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is turned on and set to be discoverable. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your car's infotainment screen. From there, you will select the option to connect device or add new device. This initiates the pairing process, allowing your car to search for available devices. It's a straightforward process to get your phone linked up. Once your CLA 250 displays a list of available Bluetooth devices, simply select your phone's name from that list. Both your phone and the car's screen will then show a 6-digit passkey. Verify that these numbers match on both devices, then confirm the connection. You might also be prompted to allow access for contacts and messages to sync. Accept this for full functionality. This step securely links your phone for calls and media. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy seamless integration. You can stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your CLA 250 premium sound system. Hands-free calling is also enabled, allowing you to make and receive calls safely using the car's steering wheel controls or infotainment screen. Plus, navigation audio from your phone will now play through the car speakers, enhancing your driving experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Sometimes, deleting old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the CLA 250 can also help clear up connectivity problems. Remember, a stable connection ensures a smooth experience. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.